In this video, I will be showing you how to create a mini coloring book in Canva that you can sell online. Let's get started. I'll start by clicking on the Custom Size button on the Canva homepage. I'm going to select the standard letter size of 8.5 by 11 inches to open up a new blank design. To help with the layout, I'll go to File, then Settings, and select Add Guides. I'm choosing a custom 2-column layout and setting the gap and margins to 0 to create a perfect center fold line. Now I'll click Add Guides to apply them to the page. Next, I'll head over to the Text tab and click Add a text box. I'll type the word Mini and then browse through the fonts to find an elegant script style that looks hand-drawn. I'll add another text box below it for the words Coloring Book. For this one, I'll switch the font to a bold like Anton and adjust the line spacing so the text sits closer together. I'll then move this title block over to the top left section of my page. Now I'll go to the Elements tab and search for the word Outline. I'll start by selecting a strawberry graphic, placing it in the top right quadrant, and resizing it to fill the space. I'll follow the same process to add an apple outline for the bottom left and a banana outline for the bottom right. To add more pages, I'll click the Add Page button at the bottom. I'll use the same layout to place a cherry outline in the first section and an orange in the second. I'll continue by adding a sliced fruit graphic and finally an avocado outline, making sure each one is centered within its own grid square. Once the design is finished, I'll click Share in the top right corner and select Download. I'll change the file type to PDF Standard, which is the best format for digital products and printing, and then I'll click Download to save the final file to my computer.